Hello guys, you are welcome to yet another interesting video tutorial on your favorite YouTube channel, Jassen Tech. And on today's Code with J is another mind-blowing website that you all have been waiting to see. This particular website is what many businesses need, and some of these businesses are within and outside the country. So if you're new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Please make sure you share it so that someone who needs our services can call us at any time. Thank you so much. So having said that, let me go to the landing page of this particular website. So this is the landing page of this particular website, tag organic farm. So on organic farm, you will be able to see different farm products where you can sell. It's a platform where you can sell your farm products, you can sell chemicals, you can sell anything that has to do with agrochemical business. Alright, so once you scroll down here, you should be able to read where nature meets integrity. So on this particular session, this is where you can have some write-up here, anything that is about organic chemical free content or farm products. Then you can also get maybe partnering with local farmers. You just say little things about it. You can also have an eco-friendly and sustainable write-up on this site. Now when you go down, you should be able to see how many organic products varieties are available on this particular platform, then years of farming experience, certified customers, and then natural and healthy products. Now if you go down, you should be able to see things like about us, and then you can read more about us when you click on learn more. So it takes you to the contact us section. Okay, so you have a little picture here displaying that yes, this is green, so the website is green indeed. Now you have some products that are posted on the platform, so you should be able to see, okay, like this particular product goes for 5,000 naira, this goes for 4,000, and the other one goes for 4,500. And you can view all products that are available on the website. Now once you know all those, we can also read more about our services. And on these services, we have the home delivery, we also have the farm store, we have CSA program. Then we also have, the meaning of CSA is community supported agriculture program. Then we also have the farm tour. You can actually go for educational purpose. Now if you have any challenges or you have any issue, you can actually contact the support. You can either use the email or you can visit the address here. You can call. You can also make sure you come or contact us from Monday to Friday by 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can use any of our social media handles as well to get in touch with us. You can use this particular send message and the admin will get your message directly. Okay, so what our customers are saying, this is what our customers are saying. You can see Sarah J, a regular customer, is also saying something, as well as Michael T, a local restaurant owner. Then we also have Lisa M, a parent and a CSA member. Now we have the about us in brief. Just like I told you, your footer is very important. Make sure you design your footer very well, because that's another thing that captures your customer's mind. So on the footer session, we have the about, we also have the quick links, we also have the contact info, we have the newsletter, so you can actually sign up for promotional messages. Maybe let's say you want to get update from them every day, so you can actually sign up for this particular session. Okay, so you can also see the trademark here where we have the 2025 farming health year, then all rights reserved by Jassen Tech. And then you can actually see the social media handles as well, which you can you can actually follow, you can also join, you can be part of this great movement. Okay, so having said that, you can use this is actually a one page um website where you can actually have every information. Like when you click on about, it takes you to the about section. You click on products, it helps you to go to the product page. This is the only thing that I know very well, that you need another separate page. Aside that, if I go back to the home page, if I click on services, it takes me to services. If I click on contact, it takes me to contact. But when you click on products, it takes you to all the products. Okay, this is all the product page where someone can actually place order. Now basically the placing of order based on this design is just via WhatsApp, but we can integrate virtually all different types of payment. You can actually have online payment like using Paystack, so you can have that also. So when you click on view detail, you should be able to read a brief detail about this particular product. Then you get the product category. You should also be able to get whether it is in stock or not. So you can see in stock, so it is available. Then you get the date at which this particular harvest was done. Now you can click on this buy now. So if you click on buy now, it's going to redirect you to WhatsApp, and then it takes you to my WhatsApp handle. So this is where you will be able to chat the admin for that particular product. Okay, so let's go back to our browser. So now once we are done with this, let me go back. So peradventure we want to actually contact the admin, or we want to contact support, we click on contact here and you type your name. So before I do all this, let me go to the admin section so that you'll see whether this works or not. So this is the admin dashboard. Now on the admin session, you should be able to log in with your login detail. Now first of all, you are going to write your name. So the password, I'm going to enter my password. Then I should be able to click login, and then successfully, voila, I am into the system. All right, so once you gain access into the system, you should be able to see that you have the dashboard, you have the product session, you also have the order session, you have the messages, you also have subscribers, you have activities. Now on these activities, if anything, maybe let's say an admin deleted something or added product or did anything on the website, you will be able to see all the activities that is taking has maybe a code on this particular system. So nobody would deny that, no, I wasn't the person that actually did this. Even if you clear the logs, your detail is going to also appear. That's one thing about this. So it's very, very secure and it's good. So let's go back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you're going to have a total number of products. You will see how many products are available. You will also see how many total numbers of orders are available on the system. Then you will see maybe how many messages. Then how many active subscribers do you have on the system. Then you will also be able to see recent orders. Then you should also see recent activities here now. All right. Now, if you go to products here, on the product section, you can add new product. You click on add. Then let's say this time around we want to add beans, and then this is, let's say, beans is a protein. All right, so let's say this is just something in beef. So I say the amount is 60,000. So how many do we have in this? We say only 20 bags. Now we can add image of this particular beans. So let's say, let me get the picture first. So let's get an image of maybe a beans or something. So let's go get beans. All right, so let's say beans. Okay, so let's go to images here. Wow, so this, let's see this. Okay, right click, save image as, let's call this beans. All right, so we've saved that particular image, so I will navigate to where that image is, and the maximum size is 2 MB. So I'll go to my downloads, go to agric, and then this is beans, and the category is grain. So the date is today's date. Put it on featured image. Now when you apply this featured product, it means you want it to appear on the dashboard, on the index page. So but I can turn it off, I can turn it on. So let me just leave it like that. So click save. Now the product has been captured. So we have basically four of them that are on that particular page. So I'm going to remove one. So let's say this is also an agrochemical something. So let me remove it from featured image, save it. Okay, so we have the beans and the other one. All right, so let's go back to our home page. Let's refresh this page, and once we refresh, we go to home here, click on home. Now go down, you should be able to see beans here. You can see it's 60,000. So beans is also featured on the home page. All right, so that is good. So when you go to orders, now we don't have anything here because I told you I'm going to actually integrate payment using Paystack or Flutterwaves, or you can use maybe GPay, GTPay. You can use any payment method you want. You can also integrate OPay and so on and so forth. All right, so if you go to messages, now how does these messages work? Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go to contact us. So here I'm going to write my name, Jason. So let's select this Jason Jaffet, and then the email is J. So let's go with J Jassen Tech, and the subject is let's say support for beans discount. Let's say maybe I need a discount on the price of beans discount. So I need a discount on the amount of beans sold on your platform. All right, so let's say this is the message I want to actually send. So I can click on send. So let's see. Okay, thank you for your message. We will get back to you soon. Good. So let's go back to the admin dashboard. Let's click on dashboard. Okay, so you can see a message has entered. We have one active message here. You can see in the message we have one new message. Okay, so click on it, and you should be able to see this particular message, okay, from J, and then this is it. So if I click on view, I should be able to read the message. Okay, so this is it, and I can actually reply or delete the message. Okay, so you can also go to the email. So you can click on this. If you click, you should be redirected to your Gmail, or you can actually use your normal Gmail to reply the message. So let's go back to messages. Now you will see that the counter is disappeared because we've actually read the message, so everything is good. So now the next one is the subscribers. So how does this one work? So let's go to subscribers section. So you scroll down here. All right, so here I'm going to enter an email address. Let's say this email address. Now click on subscribe. Okay, thank you for subscribing. So let's go to admin dashboard and click on subscribers. Okay, so you can see this particular subscriber is available now. We have one active subscriber, one in total. So you can actually export or import list of subscribers, and then you can actually have a bulk. Maybe you can activate or deactivate them. Now one thing is, immediately you have the subscribers, if you make a product, if you add any product, they get automatic message that okay, you have added a new product on your website, this and that. So you can actually do any of this. You can export them. So if you click on the email. You can actually go on export. How do you want it to be exported? Do you want it as CSV, JSON, or anything? So you can select all active or inactive subscribers depending on what you want to do, so you can export it. Now activities here, if you click, you can see administrator updated um this particular product. You remember when we changed that particular product? So you should be able to get this particular detail and so on and so forth. So you see, it will not actually display the information about this particular admin because this is an admin, but if this another user, is going to give you the whole detail about the user. So this is actually the super admin, so I restrict people from seeing my own details. So when you click on my name, it gives you 404 page not found. That is perfect. All right, so you can also check. Now we don't have any new message, but we have one subscriber here, and that is how this particular system work. So if you go back to the dashboard, you should be able to see more activities. That is it. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, share, comment, send this particular video to any farmer you know across the country, and please, we need more people, we need more connection. Use that your connection to help us connect to the right people. We build website, we automate businesses, we build chatbots, we ensure you sleep while your software works for you. We don't believe in struggling. Okay, life shouldn't be hard. Normally life shouldn't be hard. The only thing you just need is to automate your business. Just automate your business and go to sleep. You don't need to employ every person in the world before your business will work. Just automate your business, and then you will definitely succeed. You will make more money. So that is it. So please um don't forget to like, please. We love it when you like our video and you share and comment. Thank you so much. If you're a fan of Code with J, please kindly drop Code with J on the comment section. See you again next time with another mind-blowing tutorial on your favorite YouTube channel. Bye bye.